Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today here at Crypto.com, and we're looking at 2022 in review. So Crypto.com is one of the surviving crypto exchanges. All right, Celsius gone, Voyager gone, Crypto.com still here. All right, so they put together a little story to sum up 2022. See what they have to say. All right, looks like I'm good. I'm a hodler, probably because I didn't really make many sales this year because crypto was down so badly. Shiba Inu, cool token. All right, I bought 22, and 95% of them were new, one-time purchase. Yep, I don't do recurring purchases here, although I do have recurring deposits. Now I'm dollar cost averaging, so those purchases are small. So it was $22.07. All right, fine. I'm building slowly. Since we still are on the downslope or potentially at the bottom of the crypto market, dollar cost average in, might put a little bit more in. As we go up, maybe I'll put some more in. Hopefully that'll happen soon. You can see the free CRO that I got. Awesome, always get free stuff. I did just some NFTs early on when they were hot, but now they're not. So looks like they're making a lot of advancements here at Crypto.com. They're growing. NFTs, crypto, everything. So I'm sticking with them. It's up to you guys. Like I said before, I'm not an advisor. Don't sue me, bro. But I like Crypto.com. If you guys want to get in there, yeah, I think this is a great thing. Some feedback. Missions were pretty cool. That's what I picked. All right. I think crypto is going to do better this next year. I hope Bitcoin's going to start bottoming out and go back up. So my plan for 23 is to keep dollar cost averaging in. That's my plan. Tell me what you guys think. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.